exit. It's the way in.
Remember me! Bro, we killed one!
Yo, is that the way in or out, bro? What the heck?
No, I think it's like...
Hold
no,
on, it's different
way.
music. It's different music. Oh yeah, it's different music. Come on.
Oh! Wait, this might be the way. This might be the way.
Music. Oh shit, it's like it is the way. It's different music.
Hello. Ah! Oh my god! No! Oh my god, there's a man!
Guys, we gotta run. We gotta do it. We gotta run for it.
Okay, ready? Oh, bro's dead. No, I died! Bro, I died! I died! Guys! Guys! Bro, I'm here! Come! Woo! Go! Go! He's coming after me! No! No! Help me! Help us! Please help! Guys, help! Help us! Help! Should we just respawn and do it ourselves? Help! Should we just respawn and do it ourselves?
What is even happening in this? I'm 10 to 10.
Let's just stock up on beans. Let's just stock up on beans. And then we can maybe... I'm gonna respawn.
Whoa, we got two.
Where's the tiny boy?
What the heck?
What's happening?
Right, bro, stock up on beans. Stock up on beans. Yes. Bro, fill your bar with beans.
These things will never die.
Right. Eat one piece of beans. And then go! Alright, me and this guy, we're gonna do this. Oh, we got this. We got this. Wait, where's the other guy?
You got what?
Bro, are you coming?
I have a drill to protect us.
Bro.
We need
worry.
the other guy. We need the other guy.
Don't worry. This will...
Bro,
Don't
come
worry,
on.
guys.
Go!
Don't worry.
Okay. We are the Bean family! Over here! Hello, sir! Come on! Up here, guys, up here! No, wait! Where is it? Where's it gone? Up here!
Got a red ball.
Ah! Get your second pair of beans out!
Get out. I'm killing.
Bro, you got him! Right, let's go! So it's this way,
No, it's that way.
It's this way. Woo!
Get the frick out.
No! Oh, we got this, guys! We're definitely gonna beat this.
RPG.
Oh no, wait, it's the other way. Back. Go back. So the pattern is... No, guys, the pattern is... Oh, yep. Ah!
Because I sacrificed myself. I just sacrificed myself. Oh, shoot, you can hurry up.
Don't worry, I got you guys.
What do we do?
Guys, watch out!
Oh, shoot.
You guys are completed.
Okay,
Rules, fall.
guys, we need to follow the pattern. So look, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 1, 2.
I know the way. It should be this way.
No, but we need 4 on the other side. Oh no,
I
wait.
don't care.
Yeah, it is this way. It's just we need 2 squares. we need 4 squares on that side,
The way.
and then 4 on the other.
This way. This way.
It might be this way.
This way.
This way! This way! Yes! Okay, guys,
Whoa,
ready?
whoa.
Get your other pair of beams
I
out.
told you guys. I told you. I told you, kids. I told you.
This is destiny. Ready? Up there. 3, 2, 1. Take off! Go, go, go! Yes! We got this! Down here! Go! Bro, I'm actually gonna get it now. Where's the shirt? I need to find the shirt. Wait, there. Wait, no, that's not it.
Bro, I see. Yo, bro, I'm gonna go touch him.
Bro, where is it? Oh my god! Oh, I look drippy, bro. Okay, guys, I'll be enjoying today's video. If you wanna see me do more update videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. That was pretty. That was pretty fun. I actually did get all the cosmetics from this update. So bye.